In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank statements in Xero. This task might seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, you'll realize it's a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First of all, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Open your web browser and head over to Xero's login page. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and click on the login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your central hub in Xero for managing your financials. Now from the top menu, you'll want to click on Accounting. This will open a drop-down menu, and you should select Bank Accounts from there. This section is where you'll manage all the banking information associated with your Xero account. Once you're in the Bank Accounts section, you'll see a list of all your bank accounts linked to Xero. Find the specific bank account whose statements you want to delete. Click on the name of that account to open its details page. This page provides an overview of all the transactions and statements related to that specific account. Next, look for the Manage Account button on the right-hand side of the page. Click on it, and it'll bring up a menu with several options. From these options, choose Bank Statements. This action will lead you to a list of all imported bank statements associated with the chosen bank account. Go through the list to find the particular statement you wish to delete. Once you spot it, you'll either click on the statement line or the date range link if that's how it's displayed in your view. This detailed view of the statement will provide all the transaction entries included in that statement. In the top right corner of this detailed statement page, you'll see the option to delete. This could be in the form of a delete button or a trash bin icon. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation message to ensure that you genuinely want to proceed with deleting the statement. Finally, to confirm your decision to delete, click OK or Yes when prompted. And there you go. The statement will be deleted, removing it entirely from your records in Xero. Remember, while deleting bank statements could help declutter your records, it's wise to ensure you have a backup or have verified that the statement is accurately recorded in another manner if needed. And that's it, folks. I hope this step-by-step guide made deleting bank statements in Xero much simpler for you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on navigating Xero efficiently.